Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out how to make AI videos. Now in the last video, a lot of you guys were asking me how I made those AI news reporter videos, the sloppy amazingness. I've been trying to add benchmarks to my videos because I had a lot of people asking me, hey, we need some bar charts. So I was actually trying to get them to do bar charts. We'll see the quality that it made.
Wow, what a difference! Now back to you in the studio.
And Higgsfield AI, they actually got in touch with me and they're saying they got a new model coming out, Seedance 2.0 coming soon. So the quality of the videos that I made are gonna get even better. Let me just quickly show you how it works, all that kind of stuff, and as well as the features coming out. So it's a one-click video recreate. This looks like a movie. Is this real? Are we really gonna get this pseudo matrix animation? Is this real? I got, what is going on? I don't know. It's got frame level precision. There's a cat. Don't show this video to my mum. My mum loves cats. They got this guy running multi-camera store. This looks like a real film. And anime. Look at that sword fighting. What is going on? So this apparently is coming out very, very soon. It's coming for the new Chinese New Year special by Seedance. They make amazing models. So the last video that I made was this news reporter video.
Before, it could take up to 90 seconds to process a prompt. After, less than 1 second. Wow, what a difference.
You can see, look, the graphs, they are completely off. The text is really bad. The quality looks really good though. Look, that's pretty impressive. So I was using Seedance 1.5 Pro, and this is going to be Seedance 2.0 Pro. So all these guys are actually, they've got access to it. So they never gave me access to it. I'm not on the, the high tier version of sponsorship plans. What, they gave me access to this guy. Now, one of the good things about this platform is that they got tons of reference videos and images that have been made. And one thing that I like about it is that you can actually click on any of the videos and it tells you the prompt that was used to generate this banana here. And what is also double cool about this stuff is you can actually set up a start frame and an end frame. So for example, I'm going to jump into xCreate here, which is a local AI image generation app. Hey, open claw. So that's actually a good idea. I'm going to switch to a really fast model, Flux to clean edition. And I'm going to say a crab crawling out of the water. And I'm also going to make a crab flying in space. So we got a start image, which is a nice, beautiful crab coming out of the water. And we also got a crab flying into space. This is going to be fun. I'm challenging the AI. I'm going to be using Seedance 1.5 Pro, but again, you got tons of different models you can currently pick for. But since we're going to be checking out Seedance 2, hopefully soon when it's out, I'm going to use a start image. So I'm going to want the crab to be coming out of the water, and I want it to end up in outer space. Okay, let's just see if it adheres to this. So I've got a crab jumping into the air, flying through space, passing by a jumbo jet into outer space. So I've got to set this guy to 12 seconds. Aspect ratio, I'm going to make it widescreen. 16:9 and 1080p. Now what's fixed lens? Seedance adds dynamic camera movements. So it's going to make it a bit more interesting. And we got audio. What is it? Let's just say a talking crab. Let's just see what happens. So I'll hit generate. And it's just as easy as that to make a video. They've even got this little promo to tell you the comparisons between VO, that's Google's model. You can also make VO here. And Clin, this is the one that's very, very popular on Higgsfield itself. I love. Now to make this generation, it took 36 credits. Normally their pricing, if you check it out, they've got different plans. So they've got a basic, pro, ultimate, and creator edition. So this is for the serious guys. So for example, for the ultimate plan, you get 1,200 credits per month. So that means you can make 33 videos as part of that plan per month. And this is the highest quality. If I reduce it down to 480p, that's only 8 credits, and 720p, that's 15. So that will, maybe you can do like some test runs, get the least consuming one. And once you've got your idea nailed, now it's time to bring out the big guns. Boom, just like that, the video is ready. We're watching it together for the first time. Remember, I said a talking crab flies past a jet. Let's just see what happens.
我的征途是星辰大海。我的征途是星辰大海。
Nice, that was amazing. That was amazing. That was actually amazing. I like it, nailed it. That was beautiful.
我的征途是星辰大海。
Bro, that was amazing. That was and that was just the 1.5 version. Now I should have specified that Talking Crab speaks English, so it was it's a Mandarin there at the end, I think. But that was gorgeous. So we actually did that really nicely. So we generated some images locally. These were all made locally on our computer, and we threw those images up. And he actually paired it together and made an amazing generation. Now, this guy also does image generation, so you don't need to do it locally. I was just showing that this system is dynamic. You can import your own images, and that worked. So that is amazing that was done now. I'm very impressed, and it's only going to get better. So Seedance 2.0 coming very soon. And yeah, the future is going to be very, very, very interesting. So let me know what video models you guys are using to create these adventures. Would you like to do it locally? Coming maybe very soon. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. Watch that again. That was really good.
是星辰大海。
The transition was just amazing. It was really good. Like I don't know how the airplane landed us in space, but the transitions were gorgeous. The new logo for OpenClaw. The Claw.